It's me, Mr. G, here on the Riverwalk to hide some rocks and to find other rocks too. And you can join me right here on hashtag FPR, Fort Pierce Rocks. Now, I've hidden some rocks all over this place out here, from the South Bridge all the way to the marina. And all you've got to do is come out here and find these rocks, because Fort Pierce rocks. Was that a take? Huh? Oh, what?
Do it again.
Wait.
I'm gonna video it.
Oh, I see.
Hold on.
So you might ask yourself, how can a man stand to be in the Florida sunshine with a denim coat on? You might ask. I can do this because I am cool.
He keeps cutting off.
But that's okay. That's okay. It's all free, and you can come down here to this public place where everyone is allowed to look for rocks. Make them real pretty too, okay? I like the artwork. This is great. Oh. We're at the Riverwalk headquarters, as a matter of fact, yeah. And some say I sound like William Shatner. No. Ignorance is the greatest form of flattery. No. Flattery is the greatest form of ignorance. No. Mimicry is a flattering concept. Yeah. Go find some rocks. Come on.
Okay. And